first dream that everybody who starts to make money has is to get a Mercedes for themselves and their family. So I think being part of the event is, I'm happy. I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to meet people and my friends and have a good time. Yeah, the only, I mean, हाँ, I think सबका पहला सपना होता है that first car, luxury car जो हम buy करेंगे वो Mercedes ही होगा. So I think yeah, one day I will have my own G-Wagon and I'll be happy. I have 3 projects coming up this year. सब second half में आ रहे हैं. So अभी सारी shoots खत्म हुई हैं, सब post production में है, dubbing चल रही है. So I'm looking forward कि आप लोग वो सारे projects देखें और भी प्यार दें.
I am looking forward to really some glitz and glamour, not of people but of cars today. Definitely, although मेरा luxury का थोड़ा सा एक अलग फंडा है, but still I am an enthusiast and this is on my bucket list, maybe by the end of the year. And also one more thing that I feel that अगर हमने luxury नहीं experience की है तो हम उसको कभी छोड़ नहीं पाएंगे. If I say without experiencing the luxury or the luxury car that, oh, I don't like it, then that will be wrong. First, I have to experience it and then leave it. So, own but don't get attached.
We both are, in fact, for that matter, we both share the same car in sense. He has a CLA, I have a GLA. तो उनकी sedan है, मेरी almost like a SUV है.
Yeah,
And we are Mercedes fans, so yeah, we had to be there.
Boys,
हम तो सोच रहे
come for
exchange
We've come for exchange actually.
So ये देंगे और
Hopefully, yeah.
swap.
यहाँ आज इवेंट के लिए आया हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली हम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट और नया शोरूम खुला है तो देखते हैं कि क्या क्या उनके पास है दिखाने के लिए. आई लव कार्स एक्चुअली. मैंने अभी तक BMW खरीदी अपने खुद से इन 2015. फिर रेंज रोवर खरीदी. मर्सिडीज़ नहीं है तो आई वुड लव टू बाय अ मर्सिडीज़ नेक्स्ट. सो या आई एम एक्साइटेड.
I think Linking Road needed something like this. We've got every big brand. We've got now Mercedes-Benz and Landmark cars, and I think it is about time because this part of the world doesn't have anything. So linking, I mean, you got every Andheri all over the place, but here it's the first time. So I think it's a great initiative and really good that they've come here.
Yeah, I think Keith is controlling his excitement right now. He was really excited when he figured out that Landmark Cars was coming right here in the middle of Bandra. As you said, I think much needed for Bandra right now. And well done, you guys have got like a superb spot.
No, so of course this was in Bandra Linking Road.
Come.
This was always most awaited project of us, and right now that we are close to all these superb people all together, that we will definitely cater to the best of our services.
I think you guys must be looking forward to quite a assorted clientele as well out
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
right?
definitely. Clientele, I mean the Linking Road area itself, speaks a lot.
Right.
I think people come to Bombay and want to just drive down this road hoping to see some celebrity or the other. So
Correct.
you guys will get a lot of attention out here.
The cheesy line landmark है तो अब landmark Linking Road पे आ गया है.
Ah,
Correct,
wow,
correct.
wow, wow,
क्या
wow,
बात है,
wow,
क्या
wow,
बात
है.
wow, 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 wow.
I actually used to do a show where I used to review a lot of the cars. This is in fact one of the shows that I started off with. So I think the first one was one of the first one was the Mercedes
Moving a little bit.
500 SLC, if I'm not mistaken, the convertible, and that was way back. But yeah, I think I love automobiles, and it's Mercedes-Benz now is reinventing itself, and there's so much more in terms of technology that's available in terms of the cars and the new lineup. They keep coming up with new modifications and changes. So yeah, looking forward to so much more from them.
Are we going to get to review some of your cars?
100% definitely. Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
He's saying that
so,
no, 100%
So,
hard.
to Goa, Delhi,
Yeah, we
To
definitely try our best.
Yeah,
Pune.
do an EV ride.
We definitely see brand itself is moving towards sustainability.
Correct.
Yeah.
So EV is something definitely we want to promote, and we are into the steps of moving towards it. So yeah, we are soon gonna plan something into EV. We already have some project coming up.
Oh,
We'll
wow.
Definitely keep you updated.
So is there something
Super.
you want to share for anyone that's looking at getting a second or a third EV car?
Yeah, definitely. So every second or third EV car. So one beautiful part about EV, why Mercedes is somewhere promoting EV is, we have lot of EV stations placed in every of our showrooms.
Correct.
So every showroom, every workshop covers EV. So that's one beautiful part that we are getting people more used to, user friendly.
Yeah.
So that's the whole intention. Of course, as I told you, there is some big project coming up also.
Correct.
Towards
और
it,
ये तो
right?
शुरुआत है EV की.
Correct.
आगे जाके देखते हैं क्या होता है.
सब ठीक है, don't mind.
Don't matter.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks guys.
Thank
Thank you. I mean, totally looking forward. We haven't still stepped inside, but I'm sure कि अंदर कुछ बहुत amazing होने वाला है. Of course, it's Mercedes, so
very Indian that way. Since my childhood, I always wanted a Mercedes, and that has been my favorite car, and that's what I own. So that's like all hearts for me. So I'm really excited, and I want to.
I'll
see
have
how
one
that-
soon.
No, we'll have one more soon together. So no, but it is my favorite. Like
Yeah?
since childhood, I've been always a Mercedes fan. So being here is always exciting moment. So we are very excited. Look forward what's happening. I am not a car person. Actually, frankly, for me, one car which is enough for me to fulfill my basic needs in terms of a car, I'm okay with that. But that's what they do. They come with all the comfort and luxury, and that is
Yes.
why Mercedes is
Yes.
Mercedes.
I told her she's looking more crystal than me. I'm looking forward to a lot of fun, some amazing food, and hopefully my next car.
Will be Mercedes.
Thought I had a Mercedes before this as well, and now I've gifted a Mercedes to my parents.
Wow,
So yes, I'm a loyalist to an extent.
Definitely, I love Mercedes. So yes, I'm planning not in near future, and I'm looking forward to meeting all my friends.
Yes, that also. Yes, of course. You know, when I finally made it, I felt I've not yet still made it. But when I finally had that money that I could buy myself a car, my first buy was a C200, and honestly, I loved it. I loved the experience, and I can't let go of that car. It's still with me because it has too many memories. It has too many party nights, award nights. I've cried in that car. I've laughed in that car. So for me, it's
I'm not a luxury car enthusiast, but I am a spacious car enthusiast. I like big cars, so my dogs, my laser machines, everything can fit into that. So yes, they just tell me that they are also planning to launch their van. So I am definitely looking forward because I need a big vehicle where
Yes.
everything can fit in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I myself drive the same car from Mercedes, so I like the fact that with Mercedes, it's one of the motto they always have, apart from what really makes them little one step ahead from other brands which are competitive brands, is to build up a relationship with the clients, especially when it's not just about giving a car or your star, it's about keeping up the relation with them. So I'm still in touch with the workshop people or even the head of the sales to the people. They're more like a part of like we are in touch, so it just keeps up. You know what are the updates happening. So in a way, it's like a relationship you maintain. And so for that reason, they called me and invited me, so I wanted to be a part of it. Oh, I'm big time. I am. I've always been a big enthusiast for luxury cars. In fact, for a very long time, I should share this with you. I moved to Mumbai about 10 years ago, and I wanted to buy my first Mercedes, which I had actually got a miniature in the starting years when I was being here, a model, and I kept it with me for a long time. And they always say you should always plan, think about things, visualize it. So when I was visualizing my car, I actually thought about having a black car, and I ended up buying a black car.
Any upcoming projects?
There are a few things in the talks we've been going on. I have a show which I'm already doing on air. It's going on with Sony Sub, and then I have a web series which is coming up soon.
Thank you. Very happy to be here.
You visited the store. How was it?
It's an amazing store. Merck is like one of my favorite brands, and it's a privilege to be a part of this launch that they have here. It's very close to home, and yeah, very excited. I think everyone is a luxury car enthusiast, and Merck is, I think, one of like these brands that we've grown up with. Like as kids, Merck was like a very it was a brand that everybody aspired to have in their lives at some point. And from my parents to grandparents to me, and of course my nephews, etc. We love this brand.
So this is a new showroom which is by Mercedes, and Mercedes is a brand which my family also owns. So I'm very close to Mercedes, and it's a new showroom, and I get to see new cars inside, and it's an event, and my best wishes are with them because Mercedes, I think, is the best. Although I own a BMW, but yeah, I'm buying a new car, so maybe that's अभी शायद लगता है मेरे को अंदर जाके नई गाड़ी दे देंगे, बोलेंगे ले जाओ, तो शायद Mercedes का ओनर बन जाऊँ मैं. I am a lot, like I love cars. I am very passionate about cars. So since childhood, I've been looking forward. So 2-3 गाड़ियाँ तो हमेशा होती हैं मेरे पास. BMW या Mercedes में से ऑप्शन हमेशा मेरे पास यही 2 रहे हैं. उससे ऊपर भी जाना है, बट अभी फ़िलहाल जो मेरी पॉकेट अलाउ करती है उसके हिसाब से अभी मैं BMW ओन कर रहा हूँ, बट Mercedes, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ Mercedes नाउ, एंड आई थिंक दैट